ZBrush isn't scary. Part 1, Basics.
Hi there, welcome to the course ZBrush isn't scary. You may hear other course Houdini isn't scary from between 9, and I just name after from that course because I think ZBrush isn't scary too. So I just start to record this beginner series, and let me start. So when you install ZBrush, you may see this page. And first, to me, it was very scary to deal with ZBrush, and I just installed ZBrush for 4 times in 2 years, and I didn't work with ZBrush because I'm scared how to navigate with this software. There is a lot of tutorial and courses. I don't know how to start, what to do with this software, and why I should learn this software. And I want to explain all of this to you. Let me just start with navigation in this video, and then I will tell you step by step how to deal with it, why ZBrush is like this, how you can custom ZBrush for you and just learn it step by step and custom your UI. So there is a home page when you just install ZBrush. It's a ZBrush new update and some project from some professionals, and you don't want to, if you don't want to see this every time you just run ZBrush, just click on this gear and click on show if updated, and goodbye homepage. Okay. I cast my key here, and you can see whatever I click or drag, everything will be cast there. And I believe that this is very helpful to you, for beginners, to see what your mentor will do. Let's cut to the chase. You might see this box here. It's called light box, and it comes with some default project and tools that ZBrush come with it. You may see it here, some brushes, some tools, and default projects, whatever is here. I don't want to explain everything for you because we just start. And yeah, this is Lightbox, and it's come handy after you learn how to navigate or want to create your own project, not from the scratch. You may want to sculpt a human. You may see male and female or other thing. So how to hide this Lightbox? Just click on Lightbox, and you see there is a when you hover over your mouse on this button or other buttons, you will see hotkey. For Lightbox, it's a comma key, and they will work if you click on your hotkey on your keyboard. So let me just hide Lightbox. So you can see there is a box here. We call it document, or a fancy word canvas, for your sculpting. And whenever you just drag something here, you can see something between 2D and 3D shape, and you may ask yourself why this happened. And I want to create or sculpt something cool, but these things, I don't know what the hell is this. So to clear these things, you can just press Ctrl and N on your keyboard to clear your canvas and see your document. So another thing I want to explain is your document size. By default it is something like this. My monitor is 4K, that's why it is so tiny in my UI. You may have a regular monitor and it is bigger. But how to resize your document? Just press this document button here, and there is the option to create and resize your document size. Before you click on new document, just I want to be sure to explain W size. W size is a feature that recognize your monitor and your space of resolution space. That's a way to tell it. And then click on new document. It asks us if we want to save this thing we did before. I mean, that's cubic shape in 2D 2.5 D shape, and I say no, I don't want it. So it's resize our document size. And personally, I don't like these gradients, and I want to change it. Go to document, and by range you can change your background gradient range. I just like something like this, to have a grasp of black to gray, but not almost 100%. That is annoying to me. And that's it. You can, by this way, create your document size and recall it. Back to Lightbox and bring this kiddo, so you can see this kiddo is appear in our canvas. And I want to tell you how to rotate or just hanging around your model by just click and drag. Your left click and drag, you can just hover over your around your model and see it from the other side, or you want to just snap on viewport. Like I want to snap on front, just press shift and then that's it. Or you want to just zoom in, there is a button here, just zoom, or hold alt and drag, and you can release your alt button when you drag and it works fine. Or in other cases you want to just zoom on a specific area, like I want to zoom here. You can see it make it like some pivot point here, not a real pivot point for your zoom or navigate, and you can zoom here, or I want to just zoom here. You have to just click on that part, and yeah, that's it. And make it very short, I want to explain you how to enable symmetry. And symmetry, especially symmetry work on symmetrized model. I mean, when you are working on a model that is symmetry, and they work very fine with this option. But some models like poses character, they are made not in symmetry, and you have to do but by your own. And what do I mean by symmetry? You can see when I just sculpt, the same changes will appear to the mirror side. And if I just click on X on your on my keyboard, the symmetry is off. And now see, and that's the symmetry. and it is very helpful to just turn it on, your symmetry, just working on one side, or you change your view to see something from the specific angle and then see the result on both sides. And yes, to recap what I said, if you want to just go around, hang around your model, just drag, and you can just hover over your model. Or if you want to snap on a specific side, just press shift, or you can drag on this cam view, and I change it, and I will show you how to change this cam view. And it is very handy to see, and also you have the silhouette here to see the silhouette of your model. By dragging at the corner of this silhouette, you can make the size bigger or smaller. And there is a line here, I call it history line, I don't know what the original name is. You can see the steps of your work on your model. See, by every click or action I do, there is one step more, and I can back to first stage, or Ctrl Z, usual to other applications, do the same thing. Yeah. And if you want to just move or pan your model, just click Alt plus Shift to just panning your view, or with this button you can do the same. And if you're away from your model and you want to quickly back and focus on your model, just press F to back. You see, F to back from that view, or you can just click on this fit mesh to view, and it says F is its hotkey. And by double click on it, it will be fit on the view. And there is two options that is by default it's enabled, that floor and perspective. I want to just explain floor first. Floor is this grid that is show you your model position on a grid, and it's on 0, 0, 0 on X, Y, Z axis. In ZBrush, Y axis is up and Z axis is front, and X is the side. By clicking on floor option, you may disappear or appear this grid, or you can by just, I hope you see this text X, Y, Z here. You can just appear grid on X axis, you see, or Z axis, and they will be very handy when you want to create character. And by now you just have to know the floor works and how to disable or enable it, and Shift B is its hotkey. And more important is perspective. Perspective is when you want to see your model on perspective, a view, not orthographic view. And I recommend to work on perspective on, because it will be very helpful to see your model on perspective, because when you export your model to other software like Maya and you just create the camera, they are not orthographic. In other cases, may your art director say it's unorthographic, but usually they use the lenses that's maybe 50 or 85 or whatever. They are perspective, and your model has to appear in the right shape. Or if you just turn it off and work on your model and see it's a good shape, but when you just turn it on, you may see something changes, or they are not same as you want to create in non-perspective mode. So long story short, if you want to just rotate and see around your model, just click and drag. I use my tablet pen, and or you use your mouse. You can just click or drag. If you want to snap it, just click and shift will help you, or just drag this guy. You may have different shape, but I change it. I will show you how to change it, and you can see your silhouette here, and by click and drag the angle of this, you can make it bigger or smaller. And for panning, just click on Alt and Shift. You can pan your model. You can see your brush color change to blue, darker blue. And for zooming, just press Alt, or you can release it just to zoom. Or maybe you want to zoom on a specific area, just click to make it active and zoom it. By press F, you frame your model to your document canvas. And yeah, that's it for the first video. I want to thank you to see my first video of series ZBrush Isn't Scary. I will release other tutorial that will show you how to work with ZBrush and not scared of ZBrush, and make your own model, or make your own UI. Thank you.